Welcome back. Now, when you initially install WordPress, you're going to find that there is at least one default theme that you can use with the web builder. Now, as of the recording of this video, you're going to notice that there is a theme called 2019. You're also going to see that there is a theme called 2017 and a theme called 2016. Typically, those themes are going to be compatible with the most recent version of WordPress. So if you don't want to look for additional themes, you can typically use the most recent version of default themes and activate it for your WordPress installation. Now, when you are upgrading WordPress to the new version, in this particular case, if we upgrade our WordPress to the Gutenberg editor version, you'll find that there are going to be default themes that are older. And as the recording of this video, some of these older themes that you're seeing on your screen, 2015, 2017, 2016, are all available in older versions. And if you update those versions, they'll then be compatible with the new editor. So in this case, what we'll do is we'll just click Update Now in each case. This will update the theme so that you can exploit some of the advantages of the Gutenberg editor if you choose not to update your theme. And now each of these themes are going to be compatible with the Gutenberg editor. But even still, in most cases, it's going to be the easiest if you were to use the default theme that is most recent to the change. In this particular case, the one we're looking at is 2019, by activating it and then using it for your website or blogging purposes. And in this course, we will continue to work with the 2019 theme to explain the editor. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in another video.